Hey guys, welcome
Subscribe.
into day number 6. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate certain tedious tasks that you do on a daily basis. So we are going to open up our Excel sheet. So I just have a simple Excel sheet here with some dummy data. So I've just got a product name that the customer buys. I've got a customer name and some other information here. So let's say you've been given a task to create a folder for each and every customer where you'll be putting invoices. So instead of you copying the name, go and on Windows and create your folder. That would take you a lot of time depending on the number of customers that you have. As you can see here, I have a couple, so creating this might be a whole day process. But I've got good news for you. So here, what we want to do here, I'm just going to add another field and then I'm going to name it folder, for example. So I'm just going to say folder like that. Okay, so now from this folder tab here, I just want to get the name, but the way you're going to write the name is simple. You just want to do an MD, capital letter MD like that. Then I can just put in the name of the customer, which is Anton, like that. Okay, then you can click on the bottom here again. You can just do MD. Okay, so I'm just going to capital letter MD, then what's the name of the customer there. So I'm going to put in the name for the customer, which is that, like that. So now from here I can just press enter, then I can press Control E. Okay, so that will just help fill the whole information for us like that. So now we've got these names here and we've got all our customers names here like that. So what we want to do is you just need to get this first one. So we want all the information going down, so I can use Control Shift down arrow like that, so that I just have all the names like that the way I have them. Control C. So now we have copied all these names like that. So what I want you to do now is go on your Windows. Okay, so I'll just go on my File Explorer and I'll do it in Documents. So I'll do it in Documents. As you can see, that's the way Document is currently. So I want you to right click, then I want you to say Create New File. So go on New File, then I want you to name it something simple, one dot bat. Okay, bat like that. Then it will prompt you like that, just say yes. So it should look something like that. So I want you to right click again, edit, then I want you to paste all the names that you copied like that, as you can see. Then I want you to save it, so save like that, then you can close it. So now what I want you to do is just double click on it and it will leave it to do its thing, and voila, here you've got all your customer names with the actual file folders there, as you can see. So all your customers and the folder that you have for that customer. So this is just one easy way you can automate such a task, and then this will just save you a lot of time. As you can see, we've done this in less than 5 minutes, and depending on the number of customers that you have, it will still take you less than 5 minutes because it's all automated. So now from here you can now delete the bat file. Since now it has worked, you can just delete that as well. So just click on it and just delete it like that. Yeah, and also you can go back to your Excel sheet itself. You can just go back to your Excel sheet, and if you do not want this row in your database or in your data, you can just click on it, remove it, and then you continue with the other process. And make sure you are following our 30-day Excel challenge. So I'm doing videos every day to help you gain more knowledge with Excel. And also don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.